Landing pages are the first pages potential customers see on your website. They're a vital part of the conversion process. If they're not done well, you can lose a lot of potential leads. That's why ensuring your landing page is user-friendly and well-designed is non-negotiable. The two most important things you should remember is that landing pages are there to communicate with prospects, connect prospects to solutions to their needs and challenges. You'll need clear and concise language to convert more visitors into leads. The landing page isn't the place to focus solely on your brand, although it can be good to feature some achievements and well-known clients. Answer these questions instead. What's your audience looking for? Their hardships? Their concerns? One of the best practices when creating landing pages is to have multiple depending on the intended audience. A ready-to-convert individual is looking for different things than someone who's just browsing and discovering your company for the first time. A web page comprises many things. Among them include web page copy such as headlines, pictures and videos, call to action buttons. When these elements are optimized, their impact eventually adds up to a smooth sailing website. Each visitor is different, and here's where you must utilize the power of storytelling. Think of the landing page as the first page of a story. You want every journey or detour they take, every click, to be worth their time. The way you talk about your product or service has to be as engaging as any story out there. When doing this, use short and easy to understand writing and insightful content. Other than your landing page copy, always make sure that your visual elements like images and videos are high quality and easy to download. Additionally, making sure your page is navigable and takes users through your conversion process as easy as possible will contribute to your overall success. Your landing page's layout should be user-friendly and attractive enough to capture and retain the visitor's attention. This can be ensured through creative layout, color scheme, image placement, page harmony, and connection with the brand. Having well-structured copy helps tip a not-so-sure customer into going all in. Your pages should be designed with specific goals in mind. This makes it easier to track the success of your strategies and measure progress since you have an expected outcome. Creating a CRO-backed landing page can be a daunting task. However, following these 3 easy steps will help you design a powerful page that converts visitors into customers. Our team would be more than happy to help you create education marketing campaigns guaranteed to scale your brand sustainably. Stay tuned for more e-learning insider tips from Grow Enrollments.